If Grammarly is showing a 404 error, don't worry. This is usually a browser, extension, or cached session issue, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix it step by step. The good news is that you can usually get Grammarly working again in just a few minutes without needing to reinstall everything or start from scratch. If this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes and software tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, let's understand what the error means. An HTTP 404 error usually means Grammarly is trying to load a page or server path that no longer exists, or it may be getting blocked by your browser or network. That can happen after a bad session, a stale cookie, or even a temporary extension glitch. So our goal is to refresh Grammarly's connection and clear out any broken data that might be causing the issue. Start by refreshing the Grammarly extension in your browser. Look up at your browser toolbar and click the extensions icon, which usually looks like a puzzle piece. From there, select Manage Extensions. This will open the list of all your browser add-ons. Find Grammarly in the list, then switch it off, wait a moment, and turn it back on again. This simple reset can force the extension to reload properly and reconnect to Grammarly's Service services. If the error still appears, the next step is to clear Grammarly cookies and site data. Open your browser and go to grammarly.com. Once the site loads, look to the left side of the address bar and click the lock icon or the site settings icon, depending on your browser. After that, choose Cookies and Site Data, then select Manage On-Device Site Data. You should now see a list of stored data connected to Grammarly. Remove every Grammarly-related entry by clicking the trash can icon next to each one. This clears out old session information that may be triggering the 404 error. Once the cookies and site data are removed, reload the page and sign back into Grammarly. In many cases, that's enough to fix the problem immediately. When you sign in again, Grammarly can create a fresh session and reconnect cleanly instead of using corrupted or outdated data. If you still run into issues after that, make sure your browser is fully up to date and that no network tools, ad blockers, or privacy extensions are interfering with Grammarly. Sometimes another extension can block important requests and cause pages to fail. You can also try disabling other extensions temporarily to see whether Grammarly works normally again. Another useful tip is to test Grammarly in a private or incognito window. If it works there, that usually means the issue is caused by browser cache, cookies, or another extension rather than Grammarly itself. That gives you a strong clue about where to focus your troubleshooting. So to recap, the main fixes are refresh the Grammarly extension, clear Grammarly cookies and site data, reload the page, and sign back in. Those steps solve the 404 problem for most users. If you were able to fix it, let me know in the comments what step worked for you. And if you want more simple guides like this, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.